The position you sleep in each night is crucial to how you feel in the morning. While the mattress is the foundation of comfort, your pillow is another important part of the equation. So we custom fill pillows in our store to the exact firmness you need to keep your head and neck properly aligned. What's more, Gardner's mattress protectors keep moisture from getting into your mattress while still allowing air to flow. That's key to extending your sleep system's lifespan and your comfort. You'll also love to cuddle up in our comfortable custom-fitted sheets all year round, guaranteed to stay in place. We offer these sleep essentials for one reason. Our focus is on your complete sleep experience, so you get a great night's sleep every night. Remember, when you complete a personal appointment with us, you'll receive a pair of his and hers custom-fit, custom-made pillows, an exceptional value, free, with no obligation to buy anything. Be sure to ask us about any of these sleep accessories when you visit Gardner's Mattress and More. Schedule your in-person appointment today. And you'll find answers to your sleep issues in Sleep Better. Here's how to get your free copy.
If you battle snoring problems, simply text the number 1 to 717-297-1961. If aches and pains are your issue, text the number 2 to 717-297-1961. And if you're tired of compromising, text the number 3 to 717-297-1961. When you do, you'll also receive helpful free information instantly.